See if I can get a video of that. Peyton is up to bat. Garrison is catching. I guess they're great catch. This is a really good place for baseball. If you build it, they will come. That's why I grabbed it, so you all could play.
Here.
Cameron wants to bat.
All right, let me have one more time, and then you can. Back up, so I don't hit you. It's just better bat.
Now Cameron's up to bat.
Okay, ready?
Get ready to bat.
Let's bat up.
Garrison might have to show you.
Times. Ready? Swing.
Yeah.
I can play it right now.
Putting it high in the air.
Yeah, I'll just take the bat.
It's like skip it.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
It wasn't so short.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Okay, so you gotta jump over it. Ready? Jump over it, Cameron. I was gonna go fast. You gotta jump over it. Oh, Cameron's out. Okay? See what we're doing now? Oh, Cameron! Oh! Okay, try it again. Ready? Get like get over here away from me. So then you guys jump at different times. Good. You guys have to be like it has to go past you guys.
That wasn't
There you go, guys. Back up. No, this is what we're gonna do. See, you guys jump in the middle of it. You see what I'm saying? So don't go yet, Cameron. Okay, don't go yet. Okay, now get in the middle of it. Get in, Cameron. You gotta jump over it. Oh! Oh! Oh my God, Cameron! Oh! Oh my gosh!
Come here. Don't go over the line. Don't go over the line. Cameron, watch Garrison. In his slippers. Can't even take 2 steps.
My
1,
15-year-old can't even do
2. 1, 2.
Cool.
1, 2. Look like an old lady. 1, 2. There you go. See, Cameron, that's how you do it.
I feel like I can run now.
They almost look like high heels with this.
Oh my god.